it was 1990, 2002, and 2022. So all those times have actually been associated with bear markets. And so sentiment has averaged this year what's consistent with a bear market. So it is the most hated V-shaped rally. Now, there may be some people who say they're no longer bearish, but their P&L doesn't reflect that.
Every decade, there's a single moment when the market quietly resets the scoreboard, and the investors who see through the noise walk away with life-changing gains. Right now, that moment is here again. McKinsey just dropped a bombshell report. Nearly $7 trillion in global data center spending is coming over the next 5 years, all feeding into one unstoppable megatrend: artificial intelligence infrastructure. While everyone's arguing whether AI is in a bubble, the money is flowing faster than ever, from trillion-dollar tech giants to specialized energy innovators. And if you position yourself before this tidal wave fully hits, you're not just buying stocks, you're buying the digital backbone of the next industrial revolution. So today, we're diving deep into 3 stocks to buy now in November, each one perfectly positioned to capture a slice of that $7 trillion AI boom. And trust me, miss these, and you might miss the next Nvidia-style explosion. And before we dive in, I want to take a moment to say thank you. We've just hit 2,000 subscribers on this channel, and that milestone is only possible because of you. If you find value in this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and share. Your support means everything. Advanced micro devices, AMD, the challenger, rising against the AI titans. While Nvidia still dominates the GPU space, AMD's comeback story is one of strategy, execution, and perfect timing. AMD's Q3 results showed exactly why the market can't ignore this name. The company posted $5.8 billion in revenue, up 15% year-over-year, with data center and AI chip sales leading the charge. Its MI300 accelerator series is now being adopted by major hyperscalers like Microsoft Azure, Amazon Web Services, and Meta, companies racing to deploy more AI computing power than ever before. And here's where AMD stands out. It's attacking Nvidia's dominance from both a performance and cost perspective. Its chips are already competitive, but they come with flexibility and pricing that enterprises love. AMD expects total AI-related revenue to double by 2025, and Wall Street analysts, including Morgan Stanley, believe the company could capture up to 25% of the AI accelerator market by 2026. Valuation-wise, AMD trades at about 9x price to sales, far below Nvidia's 20x, giving investors a golden window before the market fully prices in its AI potential. With over $42 billion in expected 2026 sales, this is not a speculative growth story. It's a disciplined, accelerating tech powerhouse gaining ground in one of the most lucrative markets on Earth. As AI infrastructure expands, AMD isn't just following Nvidia's lead, it's carving its own lane, powered by innovation and aggressive partnerships across the biggest names in cloud computing. Supermicro Computer, SMCI, the backbone of the AI revolution. In every technological boom, there's always one company that holds the entire ecosystem together, and right now that company is Supermicro Computer. While Nvidia gets all the fame, SMCI is the one building the hardware infrastructure that powers AI across the world. Supermicro designs and manufactures high-performance servers and storage systems that are the beating heart of AI training and data center computing. Every time an AI model runs on the cloud, there's a high probability it's running on a Supermicro system, especially given their close partnerships with Nvidia, AMD, and Intel. The company's Q3 earnings were another validation of its explosive trajectory. SMCI reported revenue of $5.55 billion, a 46% year-over-year jump, with full-year guidance reaffirmed at nearly $33 billion. Even with short-term volatility in orders, CEO Charles Liang emphasized that demand for AI-optimized servers remains beyond anything we've seen in decades. And here's what's shocking Wall Street. Despite this growth, SMCI trades at just 1.5x price to sales, a fraction of Nvidia's 20x. The company's ability to deliver custom-configured, high-efficiency server racks faster than legacy players like Dell and HP gives it a massive competitive advantage. Supermicro is no longer the small hardware supplier it once was. It's now the central player in the global AI supply chain, a stock perfectly positioned to ride the trillion-dollar data center build-out that analysts say could triple by 2030. Bloom Energy be powering the AI data center explosion. AI isn't just a computing story, it's an energy story. Behind every large language model, every training cluster, and every data center expansion lies a staggering energy demand that's already straining power grids across the globe. And that's where Bloom Energy steps in. Bloom Energy is tackling one of the biggest bottlenecks in the AI revolution: reliable, sustainable on-site power generation. Its solid oxide fuel cell systems convert natural gas or hydrogen into clean electricity, allowing hyperscalers to deploy data centers faster, without waiting for traditional utility connections. The company's Q3 2025 results were a major turning point. Bloom reported $424 million in revenue, up 37% year-over-year, and announced a multi-billion-dollar partnership pipeline, including a $5 billion deal with Oracle to provide energy systems for its AI data operations. Bloom's stock has been on a tear, up 200% since mid-year and nearly 500% year-to-date, as investors realize it's one of the few pure plays directly linked to the energy side of the AI boom. McKinsey recently projected that the world will need over $1.5 trillion in new energy infrastructure just to power AI data centers by 2030. And Bloom, with its flexible, scalable fuel cell systems, is uniquely positioned to capture a massive slice of that pie. Bloom isn't just an energy company, it's the silent enabler of the AI revolution, making it possible for data centers to operate cleanly, efficiently, and without grid delays. Final thoughts. The trillion-dollar foundation of AI. The future isn't being written in code, it's being built in silicon, steel, and electricity. Supermicro Computer, AMD, and Bloom Energy are three very different companies, but together, they form the foundation of the modern AI economy. Supermicro provides the infrastructure, AMD delivers the processing power, and Bloom Energy fuels the sustainability that keeps it all running. Each of these companies is at the center of its own multi-billion-dollar growth cycle, and when combined, they represent a once-in-a-decade alignment of innovation, demand, and financial momentum. The AI era is no longer a story of what's coming, it's happening now. And while most investors chase headlines, the real fortunes are being built by those who understand the structure behind the hype. Because when the world hesitates, the builders, the ones powering the revolution, quietly create the next generation of wealth.